Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make your text to fade in one word at a time on CapCut. So here I'm using song lyrics, but you can always use this trick for also for captions or subtitles. So first I'm going to use the auto lyrics feature on a CapCut. Okay, after the lyrics have been texted like this, you can just go to animation. Now go to caption, then just find the fade in animations under the captions tab. Okay, so this one's right here, and you need to make sure that this circle is checked so that this animation will be applied to all of the captions or lyrics. Just click on that, so the lyrics will have a fade in effect like this, and you are done. This will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks icon. Bye.